This is my honest review of Campbell's 98% fat-free cream of chicken soup. I always like to start by showing the calorie contents. It's about 2.5 servings per container, 60 calories per serving, but let's be honest, you're going to eat the whole can, so it's about 150 calories per can, 2.5 grams per serving, so about 6.5 grams of fat per can. What can we say about Campbell's? Campbell's 98% fat-free cream of chicken soup is creamy and comforting soup that is low in fat and calories, made with tender chicken meat and a blend of flavorful spices. This soup has a rich and savory taste that can satisfy your cravings. It is delicious. One of the benefits of this soup is that it is a healthier option than the original cream of chicken soup, as it contains less fat and calories. It is also a good source of protein, which each serving providing around 5 grams of protein, which is awesome. However, one potential drawback of this soup is that it may contain higher amounts of sodium than other soups. One serving of Campbell's 98% fat-free cream of chicken soup contains around 750 milligrams of sodium, which is about 31% of the recommended daily intake. So you want to watch that if you're on a low sodium diet, or go out and get the low sodium cream of chicken, which I believe is available. Overall, Campbell's 98% fat-free cream of chicken soup is a tasty and convenient option for a quick and easy meal. However, it is important to be mindful of its sodium content and consume it in moderation. We love all forms of cream of chicken soup. We make chicken and rice with it. Get the recipe online. We love cream of chicken soup. It's so versatile.